Today's video we're going to take you through the building of pretty much a native house, which was the first major building project on our property. As you can see, most of the materials there are all wood and bamboo, and that's all straight from our property. All the strength in the building comes from the concrete columns there. That's what provides all the strength. And about the bottom metre or so is all just hollow blocks filled with cement. Above that, it's all bamboo from the property, and the whole thing is just covered with tin roofing.
This is the little cottage that we built.
This is the finished product. As you can see, there's plenty of bamboo. It's all been treated for termites, because termites are a huge problem here, so wood's used sparingly. But as we come around the corner, you'll see our that's actually our boundary fence on the left, as you can see as we come around the corner, and it's all interwoven with bamboo because we had goats getting through from next door. And we just surrounded the house, again all bamboo, cut from our property. At the moment nobody lives in the house. It has been lived in, and probably in the next few weeks it will be lived in again. We're basically using it as a storage room. There's our freezer, which we've had plenty of pork and chicken over the course of the last year, and we're just using it as storage at the moment. We'll give it a big clean up again just before somebody moves in. All the bamboo, it's all brown because it's been treated. You can see the great electrical work, which was actually done by an electrician and passed by the electric companies, all passed all the things. All the windows are those jealousy type windows. In the back here, we've just got a big double bed there, which is quite comfortable. I said it's quite comfortable. I probably couldn't live in here, but it's all quite comfortable. We've got a little lounge there, a TV, and as you will see, the very staple of any Filipino house is a karaoke machine under cover at the moment. Yep, pull the cover off. Yep, it's a nice karaoke machine which will get fired up shortly. Out here we've got a basic kitchen, just a little gas camping stove. Basically that's standard here in the Philippines, and the sink it's actually running water attached to the tap there. We just hook it up to the well. We've got a well on the property. That's where the cats come in and out. The cats basically use it as a house at the moment. They come in and out under the eaves there. There's nothing there to stop them. They keep out of the rain. It's a little toilet here is actually connected to a septic tank out the back. There's actually no shower on the property. Shower is bucket and a taboo, which is again standard for a Filipino standard native house. And out the back here, it's got an enclosed area. It's actually like a dirty kitchen. Put a fire under that. And again, it's just at the moment, it's just a storage room for us. Basically, the cost of building something like this, which is quite a great standard for the locals, it was about 150,000 peso, which is about just over 4,000 Australian dollars. And it'd be quite comfortable to sleep in with a fan. It's in the mountain, we're up in the mountains, so it's actually quite cool to live up here. You could probably do it without air conditioning. I wouldn't like to, but you probably could. Fan is quite sufficient. Again, there's the electrical work. But like I said, this is a fairly good condition native house, and like I said, that was the first building construction. So please, if you want to see more of how we're developing our property, please subscribe to our channel. We're building it nice and slowly, but please subscribe and see more.